Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the part 2 to my jewelry declutter, and now we're going into the organization section for it. And I'm gonna leave the link to the declutter above. So I got the new jewelry box, and this is how big it is, which actually looks pretty big in the camera. It's so tiny, like so tiny. I did not expect for it to be so small, but like I think it's kind of perfect since we are doing a minimal collection anyway. So this is what it looks like. You like unclasp it, and then you have your little section for your necklaces, and they will just pull in the pocket there. On this side you have the little holes for all the earrings. You lift it up, and then you have a section for rings and a section for like bracelets and like watches, and these can come out if you don't want them, or you can adjust them so they're the right height. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting jewelry in here, and honestly if I have too much for this little box, maybe we'll do a little bit more of a declutter. So that box I got off of Amazon. I'm going to link it below if you guys want one for yourself. And I also got this like wooden box, just like a really simple wooden box. It has a divider in it, but I don't really want the divider, and I can slide it out. And this box I got from the thrift store, and I thought for a while that I might like DIY it to make it look a little nicer, but I don't like how it looks. I think we just keep it as is. I'm gonna use that one for my nail polish, and we're gonna go ahead and get organizing. Okay, so here's all the jewelry and nail polish from last time that is all decluttered. I'm gonna go ahead and start transferring things. Go ahead and start with the necklaces. These are not the simplest things to get in there, but there we go. We got all the little necklaces in there. And then I have the one choker. Just gonna put it there like that. And then we're gonna move on to earrings. So I only have 3 pairs of earrings. These little holes are really hard. Are they closed? There we go. Couldn't get it in there at first. And then you just flip it over to the other side and put the little backing to your earring on. The hoops are gonna be a different issue altogether, because the hoops actually close on themselves, so we're just gonna do the best that we can. And then I have these 2 which are like clip-ons, and they obviously can't fit in there, so we're gonna leave these for later. Moving on to rings. I got my 3 rings, aside from like my engagement ring. And I got this one like really chunky ring, which, like the earrings, I'm gonna have to leave this for a little later on. I forgot I have 1 more pair of earrings to go in here. The holes in this thing are so hard to like get the earring in there. Oh, and then that one goes easy. Okay. Way to make me look bad, jewelry box. Now we have all the earrings in. So I still need a space for small jewelry that doesn't really fit into any spot, as well as bracelets and watches. And then I have like this one really chunky bracelet, and that's definitely not gonna fit in there. And I also have this necklace, which is also not going to fit in there. So for the really small stuff like that ring and those earrings that we couldn't fit in earlier, I'm just gonna make a little compartment for them. I think that's gonna work perfectly for them. I'm gonna make it a little smaller. My watch I'm gonna put right there. I got 1 more watch. I'm gonna put it the opposite way. I'm gonna put the last divider in. And then I still have this bracelet left, this bracelet left, and this bracelet left. This thin bracelet, I can definitely just put it with the necklaces. These 2, are there any other spaces I can put them in? Oh, I'll put them in the pockets here. Perfect. These 2 bracelets, I'm just gonna slide on in. That's fine. It works, it works. I actually think I might give this bracelet away. It's really tarnished. Yeah, I think it's time to retire this bracelet. That's fine. This necklace I'm not retiring. It just needs a different home. So we got all of our necklaces and bracelets. I have my earrings on this side. And then I have rings, watches, and some miscellaneous things that just don't fit in other compartments. I think it looks great like this. So I have this box. I'm gonna first test out by standing like the tallest nail polish in there and just seeing if it even closes. Nope, I didn't think it would. So I'm gonna actually just lay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay them all down. And I'm really not very picky if they have to lay on top of each other like they are right now. As long as they all fit in there. Perfect. Actually works. I'm not even gonna bother removing this because it's not necessary. And that's all done. And we are all done. I hope you guys like this really short video. Just organizing the rest of my makeup collection. If you guys did like it, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for new videos every week. And make sure you guys comment below so I know what you guys want to see next time. And until next time, guys.